Let's make turmeric milk. Haldi Doodh is a popular beverage in India and other South Asian countries. It is used as a healing, nourishing drink or just before bedtime. And since I'm not feeling too well, I figured it would be a good moment for me to make some. First, bring your milk to a boil. I'm using around 2 mugs. Once the milk has come to a boil, I added half a teaspoon of ginger powder, around 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and around 1 teaspoon of turmeric. As well as some freshly crushed black pepper to aid your body's absorption of the turmeric. After simmering for 3 minutes, I turned the flame off and added 1, maybe 1.5 teaspoons of honey. I poured the milk into my mug and back 3 times from an achievable distance to make the milk frothy and combine the ingredients well. By now the milk should have cooled down enough so you can drink it while still hot, so strain if you need to and enjoy.